Hi, my name is Robert Mullins. I'm Project Manager for the imsarcs project here in TSSG, and I'm going to give a demonstration of the Public Transport Advisor service that we have running on this Apple iPhone and which was developed within the project.
Okay.
This is the initial user interface for the Public Transport Advisor that you'll see. As you can see, it allows you to set where you're coming from and where you're going to. It also allows you to do this either graphically from a map or textually by keying in text. So what I will do here is I'll set this to come from Smithfield Market, and I'll do that graphically, and I'll set it to go to Harold's Cross, and I'll do that textually. So I click on this select icon here initially to bring up a map. I'm going to switch this into landscape mode to make it easier to see. So as you can see, I'm showing you a map now of Dublin city centre. I'm going to have to scroll across so I can pick up Smithfield. So I'm going to touch this here, and that's setting my initial position to Smithfield. I click done, and now my origin is set. Now I'm going to set my destination. I'm going to do it through the search. Okay, so I need to key in some text here. So I'll set Harold's Cross. Okay, so I've now set my starting point and my destination. So now I can just click show my journey. This brings up a number of legs to the journey. So it's telling me I initially need to walk 770 meters, which will take me approximately 10 minutes. Then I take bus number 25. Then I take bus number 6. And finally I need to walk 105 meters. So we can get specific instructions on where I need to walk from and to. So as you can see here, this is now shown on the map that this is my starting point and this is where I need to walk to actually get the bus. I can also get textual directions. So here it's giving me step-by-step instructions of where I need to go. I can now go back to my original journey plan, and if I click on the second step, it plots the bus journey I need to take. So here it's going from Inns Quay to Delir Street. The next step then is going from Delir Street to Harold's Cross Road. So here you can see I'm getting on the bus in Delir Street. It should pop up on the map soon. And it's tracing the route of the bus through the city as far as Harold's Cross. The Public Transport Advisor service actually gives you instructions throughout the journey. So when you get to a specific location, such as your bus stop, it will actually tell you that you're at the right particular point, and it will tell you which bus to get on. To demonstrate how this works, I'm going to use a location simulator which generates the GPS codes that would be generated by the phone if you were in the specific location. Okay, so I'm showing you a graphic here of the overall journey with the initial walking points, the initial bus journey, the second bus journey, and then the final walking instructions. By clicking on the bus icon, I can actually simulate that I'm in this particular location where the first bus stop is. So this is generating a SIP call, which is coming through to a SIP point here. Okay, so what it has told me there is that I'm approaching a bus stop on Inns Quay in Dublin, and please board the bus number 25 travelling from Dodsborough Road to Pearse Street. The next step in my journey is where I arrive in Delir Street, and this is where I need to make my changeover to the number 16 bus. So it generates another call. Okay, so it's telling me that I'm approaching the bus stop on Delir Street. Please disembark from the number 25 bus. Okay, so now I've got on the number 16 bus and I've arrived in Harold's Cross, so I'm just going to simulate that happening. So I've got another call to inform me. Okay, so basically it's telling me that I'm approaching the bus stop on Harold's Cross Road. Please disembark from the number 16 travelling from Dublin Airport to Brownfield Road. So now I can get off my bus and then I can follow whatever final walking instructions to get to my destination. So that basically shows that while the user has actually used the public transport advisor service to find how to get from their origin to the destination, that the service also informs them throughout the journey where they are on the journey and where to make changes and where the journey finishes up.